Good morning, everyone. My name is Teacher Michelle, and today we are going to learn about the animal sounds and where they live. Can you guess what animal is it? It's an elephant. Where does the elephant live? The elephant lives in the jungle and it says trumpet. What animal is it? It is a lion. The lion lives in the den and the lion says roar. What animal is it? It's a pigeon. The pigeon lives in a dovecote and the pigeon says coo, coo. This is a crocodile. A crocodile lives in the nest. This is a bird. And the bird lives in a cage and it says tweet, tweet, tweet. What animal is it? It's an eagle. The eagle lives in the area and it's scream. What animal is it? It is a snake. The snake lives in the jungle, in the forest, in the grassland, and the snake says hiss, hiss. What animal is it? It is a rabbit. A rabbit lives in the burrows and it says squeak, squeak, squeak. What animal is it? It is a rabbit. A rabbit lives in the burrows and it says squeak, squeak. Okay. It is a mouse. Where does the mouse live? The mouse lives in the hole and it says squeak, squeak. Okay, now can you see this? What animal is this? It is a bear. Where does the bear live? The bear lives in the cave and it's growl. How about this? What animal is it? It is a tiger. A tiger lives in the jungle, in the forest, or in the grassland. Okay, and it's growl. Can you see this? What animal is it? It is a bee. A bee lives in the hive and it says buzz, buzz. Okay, can you guess what is the name of this animal? It is a spider. A spider lives where? In a web. Okay, now, how about this? What animal is it? It is a pig. Where does the pig live? The pig lives in the pigsty or pigsty. And it says oink, oink, oink. How about this? What animal is it? It is a dog. A dog lives in the kennel. And the dog says woof, woof. Okay, how about this? What animal is it? It is a cat. And a cat lives in the house, in the farm. And the cat says meow, meow. What animals are they? They are chicken. The chicken lives in its coop and it says cluck, cluck. Okay. Now, how about this? What animal is it? It is a duck. Where does the duck live? The duck lives in the pond and it says quack, quack, quack. This is a sheep and a sheep lives in a sheep pen and a sheep says buh, buh. This is a cow. A cow lives in a shed and the cow says moo, moo, moo. Okay. And also, what animal is it? It is a horse. A horse lives in the stable and it says neigh, neigh. Okay. Now, class, What is your favorite animal? Okay, you can say I like cats or I like dogs. Okay, these are dogs. Okay, I like dogs. What is your favorite animal? You can say I like cats. I like dog. Next. Do you like cats? You can say yes, I do. Do you like dog? Yes, I do. If you don't like, you can say no, I don't. Okay, how about this? Do you like pigs? You can say no, I don't. Okay, now class, thank you so much for your listening and I want you to answer your worksheets. Bye, see you next time.